There's a secret tool in a pair of wire strippers that you may not know about. And I'm going to show you where it is and how to use it coming up next. This right here, it's a mounting bracket, and it's for a light that I'm installing in one of the bathrooms in the ugly house. But there's something really interesting about this mounting bracket when it partners with the light fixture's cover plate. I want to show you what I'm talking about because chances are you've encountered the same thing. You might not have known what to do exactly. Well, I'm going to show you. So this is what happens. You attach the mounting plate to the wall, and then you go to install the light fixture. And you notice that the bolt that is attaching the light fixture to the mounting plate is way too long for the mounting nut. Can you see what I'm talking about? We've got this bolt coming up through the fixture, and the decorative nut that's provided, it doesn't do its job where it seats against the top of the light fixture. So we've got to cut that bolt so it fits snugly. So how many of you have tried to cut a bolt in half and wound up damaging the threads so that the nut doesn't screw on? There's a secret tool in a pair of wire strippers that very few people who aren't in the trades know about. Right here is a shearing tool for 6 30 seconds and up here for 8 30 seconds. Now you take your bolt and you don't just stick it in the hole, but you thread it into the opening. And that's what protects the threads from being damaged. Now you're going to meet a little resistance, so you're going to take a screwdriver and continue to screw it in until you reach the length of bolt that you need, and then you snip it. And then you back the bolt out of the wire strippers and it cleans the threads. It's like having bolt cutters with a little die inside. How cool is that? This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time. If you want to see more videos like this one, just click here.